In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to embed PDF downloadable file in WordPress page. Once on your WordPress website, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there, you can either select pages or you could select posts. Let's say for this example, I'll select pages and I'm going to select add new page. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this page, you can add the title for your page. So for example, I'll just call it test page. After you have done that, what I want you to do next, you're going to open a new tab, and from there, you're going to type in elfsite.com. After you have typed in elfsite.com, in fact, I'll be leaving a link in the description. You can click on to be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you are going to simply hover over widgets in the top left hand corner. After you have done that, I want you to simply scroll down where you see tools, and you're going to scroll down and you can either select file embed or you could select PDF embed. For this example, we'll select file embed. After you have done that, you can see different examples right here. So for example, you can see the PDF file example. If we were to go back, for example, and hover over it once more and select PDF embed, you can see the different widgets option that you will have. So for example, you have this option, you have this option right here, and you also have the magazine archive, as you can see right here. Let's say we were to select embedded PDF file option, then tap on continue with this template. After you have done that, you could add a title for your widget by tapping right here. You could add title. Then you can also tap on add file, and then you could tap on add file once more, and you could upload your PDF file. After you have uploaded your PDF file, if it is a case that you would like to edit the layout, you could tap on layout right here, and you could either change the layout to grid, list, or you can also edit the file icon and preview image, as you can see right there. You can also edit the download settings. So if it is a case that you don't want to show the download link, you can toggle it off right there. You can also edit the download link text if you want. So we're going to leave it as is. Then you're going to tap on add to website for free. After tapping on add to website for free, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you are going to tap on view plans in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you would select the free plan. After you have selected the free plan, you'll tap on the X in the top right hand corner, then tap on close. Once it has been closed, all you'll need to do now is tap on install. Then from there, we're going to simply copy the code. After you have copied the code, you would go back into WordPress. Then you're going to tap on the plus, and from here you can type in HTML. Then you're going to select custom HTML, and you're going to paste in the code that you have copied. After you have pasted in the code, you could tap on preview and you could see how it looks. So you can see how it looks right there. Now, if for example we were to tap on publish, so let's say I were to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. After tapping on publish, if we were to tap on view page, you can see how it looks right there. And now all someone would need to do is simply tap on download. After tapping on download, you can see that I have now downloaded the PDF. And it's as easy as that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.